Hello guys! Welcome again to IFIXTech. Today we are going to meet the best folding laptops of the year. ThinkPad, ASUS, HP, Dell, Samsung, no matter the brand. This type of computers are unique, so it is really hard to pick the winner. You will be our judge. Make sure to leave your comment with your favorite. Here we go! One. Our first contender is built to last from the toughest materials. ThinkPad presents ThinkPad X1 Fold. Shape the way you work. With a 16.3 folding OLED screen. Experience more ways to work. Landscape and portrait mode. With the pen and ThinkPad keyboard, work at your speed. Lightspeed connectivity, Intel Wi-Fi 6 or optional 5G. Built for what IT needs and users want. With selected internal components, made from recycled PCC plastics. ThinkPad X1 Fold. Number 2. New possibilities for form factors. Get ready to envision a new reality with the world's first 17 inches foldable OLED laptop. Meet the ASUS ZENBOOK Fold. Ultra mobility, innovative compact design, unrivaled portability. 17.3 inches tablet mode and 17.3 inches desktop mode. A new browsing experience with 12.5 extended mode. Free your imagination with 12.5 laptop mode. Multiple screens with 17.3 reader mode. Immersive quad speaker audio. Innovative camera system. Durability unfolds with more than 30,000 hinge cycle tests. Easy charging. Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports. Intel processors. ASUS ZenBook 17 Fold OLED. Number 3. YogaBook 9i. Dynamic luxury. Designed on Intel-registered Evo trademark platform that provides enhanced performance and responsiveness. 14-inch display, up to UHD optimized with Dolby Vision trademark. Combined with all-new Iris-registered ZE graphics that far exceed the usual integrated experience. Contemporary 2-in-1 design includes Garage Pen and rotating soundbar. Play over 100 high-quality PC games with your new Yoga laptop. YogaBook 9i. Number 4. Galaxy Book Pro 360. In the beautiful packaging we can find a very well-designed laptop. Fast-charging AC adapter. S Pen 13.3 and 15.6 inches. Different most needed ports. Colors to choose from. .6 inches bezel. A 23% larger touchpad. Super AMOLED display. Samsung SmartThings. Dolby Atmos sound. Hyperfast 5G. Long-lasting battery. Easy Bluetooth connection. One of the best designed laptop. Samsung Galaxy Book. Five. Dell Latitude. 13, 14, and 15 inches. Touchless auto wake and lock with Express Sing In. Faster connections with Express Connect. With brighter screens, privacy panel, FHD and 4K screens, innovating cooling system, carbon fiber and aluminum finish, best-in-class battery life. Gets up to 80% in 1 hour. 11th generation Intel processors, Next-level conferencing with intelligent audio. The new age of intelligence. Dell Latitude. 6. HP Spectre X36015. Gem-cut design. 8th Gen i7 Intel and NVIDIA GeForce processors. Up to 15 hours battery life. Increased pen sensitivity and tilt support. Create more and do more with 5K external monitors. Privacy and security with full HD camera. And kill switch. HP Integrate Privacy Screen. Choose from cool or performance modes. Dual fans and radiators with up to tree heat pipes. HP Spectre X36015. 7. INSPIRON 14 2-in-1. Give your world a glow up. A versatile machine with a 14% larger touchpad. The latest 12th Gen Intel Core processor. Fast charging with Express Charge. 16.10 aspect ratio display. INSPIRON 14 2-in-1. So, what do you think? Which one of these very nice folding laptops is the best one for you? Leave your opinion in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe.